There are still limitations worth noting. Playlist management and advanced sorting options are simpler than some people might want, so content organization may require a bit of adaptation. But core execution remains strong where it counts most: secure fit, clear playback, easy controls, and dependable swim mode use. For training-focused users, those fundamentals matter more than luxury interface features that do not improve performance in the water.
For users coming from standard headphones, expectations should be tuned to purpose. This is a performance-oriented tool for exercise scenarios, not a luxury listening lounge device. Within that role, it delivers strong utility and a smooth routine. I can train, swim, and move without constant adjustments or interruptions. That practical consistency is what turns a specialty product into something I actually want to use every day.
I also appreciate the safety trade-off of open-ear listening in mixed environments. Maintaining awareness of surroundings can be valuable outdoors and around others, especially when full isolation is not desirable. For training routines that move between locations, this design choice feels intentional and practical. It gives me usable audio without disconnecting me completely from context, which can be a meaningful advantage in everyday movement.
For swim sessions, stability over caps and during turns is a clear strength. The headset stays put instead of shifting constantly, so I can focus on pace and breathing rather than readjusting gear. That confidence in fit makes a bigger difference than most people expect. If a device moves around in water, everything else becomes frustrating. Here, stability is one of the reasons the whole experience feels dependable.
Setup for local files is manageable once the transfer workflow is understood. File loading is direct, and the device recognizes common formats that simplify preparation. Daily controls for play, skip, and volume are responsive enough to use without interrupting a session. I appreciate hardware that stays simple during movement. When I am focused on exercise, reliable button behavior matters more than fancy interface extras that are hard to use on the go.
Battery behavior has been reliable in repeated training use. I can get through multiple sessions before feeling pressure to recharge, and that predictability helps planning. The charging connection is straightforward once I keep the right adapter on hand for my setup. Small logistics like cable type matter, but they are manageable. Overall, power performance supports regular use without turning into a constant maintenance task between workouts.
The biggest thing to understand is playback mode behavior around water. Wireless streaming works fine in normal dry use, but underwater listening relies on onboard files, which is standard for this type of product. Once music is loaded locally, playback is dependable and straightforward. In return, I get consistent audio while swimming without expecting impossible Bluetooth performance beneath the surface, which keeps expectations realistic.
Outside the pool, wireless convenience is useful for walking, gym work, and general daily listening. I like having one device that can switch between routine dry use and dedicated swim playback. This hybrid approach reduces gear clutter and keeps habits simple. Instead of carrying separate products for each context, I can maintain a consistent control layout and fit profile across different activities, which improves long-term usability.
Compared with older generations of swim playback gear, this feels like a clear improvement in convenience and consistency. File handling is easier, fit security is better, and daily operation feels less fragile. That progression